Come test drive the 2022 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
With Honda Certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.